Hi guys, welcome to Turbo Maths channel. Can you solve this question? This question is very easy, but many people can't do it right. 12 divided by 4 over 3 then times 5 plus 2 squared. Some people get it wrong and solve it like this. First, they simplify the parentheses. We have 5 plus 2 to the power of 2 and final answer of this part equals 9. 12 divided by 4 over 3 then times 9. In this step, they do the multiplication and they simplify the question like this. After they simplify the question, they have a new expression. The new expression is 12 divided by 12 that equals 1. But this answer is definitely wrong because they don't pay attention to the priority of the mathematical operations. Let's solve it step by step together. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS shows the order of operations. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. According to this rule, first we simplify the parentheses. 5 plus 2 squared that equals 4 equals 9. Now we have a new expression, 12 divided by 4 over 3, then times 9. Now because we have multiplication and division have the same priority, we start from the left and simplify. To solve first part, we need to follow the KCF rule. KCF means keep the first number as it is, then change the sign, then flip the second fraction. As you can see in the image, we keep the first number as it is, then change the sign, then flip the second fraction. 12 and 4 are divisible by 4. Now we can simplify the question. 12 divided by 4 equals 3 and 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 3 times 3 equals 9 and 9 times 9 equals 81. And we get the final answer of this question. To see more math videos, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.